Let's make easy 3-ingredient Nutella Twist pastries. This recipe is perfect for anyone that's looking for an easy treat. It takes less than 30 minutes and it's perfect for any level of baking skill. First, you're going to grab some store-bought frozen puff pastry. If you can find the sheets, that's the best way to do it. You just unroll them after they've been thawed, or you can use a package of puff pastry that hasn't been rolled out. Just cut it in half and then roll it out into 2 squares. Then simply add Nutella on top. I actually used crunchy Nutella this time when I made the video and it was so good. Evenly spread out the Nutella and then you're going to get the second sheet of puff pastry and place it on top. Gently press them together. You want to make sure everything sticks and then make markings to divide the dough into 12 pieces. It's easier if you use a pizza cutter, but you can also just use a knife to cut the dough into 12 strips. The next part may look difficult, but it's actually really easy. You're just going to grab the pastry, twist it until it's spiraled, then roll it up to create a circle, and that's how simple it is to shape these Nutella Twist pastries. Tuck the end underneath, and then just repeat this process for all of the remaining pastries. If you're having a hard time, you can place it directly on a cutting board and then roll them up, and then just tuck the end underneath. It doesn't look pretty right now, but once they bake, they're going to look great. Just grab an egg, whisk it up, and then use a brush to brush it over the pastries. This is the third ingredient, and if you don't have an egg on hand, you can omit the egg, but it does give the pastry a nice golden brown color once it's baked. Just brush it all over top and then transfer the baking tray to the oven and bake until the pastry is golden brown. You can sprinkle with icing sugar, serve, and enjoy this simple recipe.